Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us at the FUCHS Tech Talk. I'm Gregory.
And Lebo.
And today we'll be discussing the Silkolene range of products. These are motorcycle oils, and they come in 4-stroke, and they do come in a 2-stroke variant. But when we think about engines, we always think a car and a motorbike engine are similar. They are not. On a motorcycle engine, you do have different challenges. For example, integrated gearing systems, wet clutches, and a lot of power-to-weight ratios and higher revolutions that increase heat and stresses on the engine. Therefore, our range has been designed to cater for all these challenges.
For our 4-stroke engine oils, we have 3 tiers, which is your red, gold, and also silver. So for red, we have Silkolene Pro. It is ester-based, fully synthetic. It comes with API latest specs, and also it's approved for JASO MA2. And it comes in different SAE grades, which are recommended by the OEMs. And for yellow, we have Silkolene Comfort, which is also semi-synthetic ester-based. It is JASO MA2 approved, and it comes with the latest API specs as well. And also come in different SAE grades for different OEM applications.
In trials, we have discovered that by using the Pro or the Comp, that we had fuel savings up to 11%. We had more torque, in other words, more power when you accelerated, as well as you have used less top-up, up to 18% less top-ups needed on these products.
For silver, we have Silkolene Super, which is semi-synthetic. It also comes in 2 SAE grades, 10W40 and also 20W50. Greg, tell us about the 20W50.
The 20W50 was designed for your Harley-Davidson V-twins, as also recommended for use in your European and Japanese metric V-twin designs. Please join us next time while we discuss the 2-strokes in the Silkolene range.